Dispersion is the phenomenon of separating colors of light. When white light passes through certain materials like a glass prism, it splits into a beautiful spectrum of colors, creating what we commonly see as a rainbow effect. This fundamental concept in optics helps us understand the true nature of white light and how different colors behave when traveling through various mediums. White light, like sunlight or light from a bulb, appears colorless to our eyes. However, it is not a single pure color. White light is actually a mixture of all the visible colors combined together. When all these colors blend perfectly, they create the white light we see every day. This discovery was groundbreaking because it revealed that white light contains a hidden rainbow within it. The visible spectrum is the range of colors that human eyes can detect. It consists of 7 main colors arranged in a specific order: violet, blue, cyan or light blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. Each of these colors has its own unique wavelength. Violet has the shortest wavelength, while red has the longest wavelength in the visible range. Together, these colors make up all the light we can see. Dispersion is the process of separating white light into its component colors. When white light passes through a transparent medium like glass or water, it breaks apart into individual colors. This separation happens because the medium treats each color differently. The result is a spread of colors, ranging from violet to red, which we call a spectrum. Dispersion is the reason we can see rainbows and colorful patterns in nature. Dispersion occurs because different colors of light have different wavelengths. Each wavelength represents a different color. When light enters a medium like glass, each color travels at a slightly different speed. This difference in speed is crucial. Since the colors slow down by different amounts, they also bend by different amounts. This unequal bending causes the colors to separate from each other, creating the dispersion effect. A prism demonstrates dispersion beautifully through 4 steps. First, white light enters the prism as a single beam. Second, when light enters the denser glass medium, it slows down and bends. This bending is called refraction. Third, because each color has a different wavelength, each one bends at a different angle. Fourth, as the colors exit the prism, they continue traveling in different directions, spreading out into a visible spectrum. This is how a prism creates a rainbow from ordinary white light. The refractive index is a measure of how much light bends when entering a medium. Different colors have different refractive indices in the same material. Violet light, having the shortest wavelength, has the highest refractive index. This means violet bends the most sharply. On the other end, red light has the longest wavelength and the lowest refractive index, so it bends the least. This variation in bending angle is what causes the colors to spread out and separate during dispersion. Dispersion happens all around us in everyday life. Rainbows appear in the sky after rain because water droplets act like tiny prisms, dispersing sunlight into beautiful arcs of color. Diamonds sparkle with multiple colors because their crystal structure disperses light entering them. Compact discs and digital video discs show rainbow patterns when light reflects off their microscopic grooves. Even water droplets on leaves and ice crystals in the atmosphere create colorful displays through dispersion. Understanding dispersion helps us appreciate these natural phenomena.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.